Okay, day 3, and there is still a tiny bit of fermentation going on, but as long as it's 1.000 or lower, then, you know, we've hit our 7.5% mark. Now, I'm going to drop the hydrometer in here, rather than, you know, pouring it into a jug and then pouring it into the tube to take a reading. It'll be quicker to just get a reading from here. And that is finished fermenting. It's down at 0.090, so this is going to be stronger than 7.5%. Okay, I'm going to do some quick math. We'll see what the percentage works out at. And then I'm going to, what am I trying to say? I'm going to funnel this, I almost said strain. I'm going to funnel this into some smaller bottles and then put it into the fridge. Look at the pile of the sediment on the bottom there. Right, okay, let's go and let's do, where's the hydrometer gone? Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is around 9.2%, which is a bit stronger than what I wanted it to be. Now, I don't know if you ever drank homebrew before, but homebrew gets you more drunk than, you know, store-bought alcohol, especially when it's at 9%, you know. I mean, that is a bit strong. Hello, Jay. That is a bit strong, so we're going to have to just drink it slowly. Okay, let's get this decanted. Alright, so I have a few bottles in here, which I'm going to leave until they clear up a bit more. So we've got this one, and then I've just reused this milkshake bottle as well. I've also labelled these, you know, just in case someone thinks it's some sort of juice or whatever. I've also labelled the Sprite bottle. So yeah, we've got those 3, and I also have some in a flask. These have already been in the fridge for a couple of hours, so the stuff in the flask I'm going to taste now, and then these, like I say, I'm going to wait until these clear up. So then we can give like 2 perspectives, you know, we can see how it tastes now, and then we can do another review when it clears up. So, hold on a minute. I probably should have started the video the other way around to show you the drink. So here we go. We've got maybe about 500ml in there. And I'm going to get my dad to taste some. Okay, so me and my dad's going to have a taste of this now. So, we've got this stuff here, and then the stuff in the fridge, you're going to leave it for a few days and it'll clear up. So we'll taste this now.
What percentage is this?
9.2. Wait. So we've got this now, this cloudy stuff. So we'll taste this, and then once the stuff in the fridge is cleared up, we'll then taste that. Yeah. All right. So yeah, 9.2%. Do you want any more? Is that enough for you?
9.2%.
Right. Wait. What's it smell like to you?
It smells like homebrew.
Yeah, but you know what I mean, like the people who don't know what homebrew smell like.
How would you describe that?
How do you describe it? It's like a
hoppy.
You can definitely smell the alcohol. I mean, you can smell it. You can tell it's strong. There's not much considering it's made from juice. There's not much juice smell there, is there?
No, there isn't. No.
I mean, you can tell it's alcohol, but I just don't know how to describe the smell.
I'm afraid there should be.
Does it taste okay?
It tastes fine. It's just that I'm afraid it'll knock me out.
Well, that'll be all right. It doesn't taste yeasty, does it?
No. I wouldn't know it was homebrew if.
That's a bit.
If you didn't tell us it was homebrew, I wouldn't have known. Yeasty, that was that smell I was looking for when I said homebrew smell. Yeasty, yeah. Because normally homebrew always is a.
That's got a what? A tang or bitterness.
Aye, but homebrew actually. But I always like a homebrew tang, but that isn't. That doesn't ever. I wouldn't know that was homebrew.
It's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, kind of like
Tastes good tang, eh?
a bit of bitterness or tang.
I don't know what you call it.
Yeah, I don't know what you call it. It's a bit. It means it's not horrible, is it? It's not a horrible thing.
No, it's nice.
Yeah, you can definitely tell. You can definitely feel the kick off of the alcohol there.
I'm going on my bike now.
I mean, like in the taste, you know, you can tell it's a strong.
I'm going on my bike. I'll probably fall.
Strong ring. All right, people. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you're all okay. Hope you're all having a good day. It is too hot. Too hot. I'm thinking of doing a cooking video tonight because yesterday I made some battered scallops and bullets, which is a certain type of shark, and it was absolutely delicious. So I'm contemplating doing a cooking video tonight because I've still got some shark meat left over. So yeah, contemplating doing that. And then, of course, there will be a homebrew update once it's cleared up. So, anyways, as always, hope you're all having a good day. Hope you're all okay. We'll see you in the next episode. But peace out and take care. Peace.